Harbert.
Well, good morning there, Big Country. All ready to your Tuesday. Let's go ahead and take a look at the forecast details for today. Taking a look outside with the KTAB station Sky View. Few folks making their way out the door on this Tuesday morning with the stationary front currently situated to the north of us. High pressure still in place will keep those temperatures rising. Allergies also continuing to build across the forecast as we keep a high pressure dome. That means that heat is just on a repeat cycle. Warm nights lead to warm evenings, and that leads to even warmer overnight lows, which already starts us at a pretty warm baseline. Max eye radar right now running a clear sweep of radar. A lot of the green that you see here is just ground clutter being picked up by the radar in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Yesterday, we managed to climb to 104 degrees, prompting 29 triple-digit days, 16 of those coming consecutively, and it's likely, if you've seen the 7-day forecast, that we will likely add a few more to the count. Across the region, heat advisory in effect for most of our counties, including here in Taylor County, that will be in effect until 7 o'clock later this evening, with an extreme heat warning for those out in Stevens and Eastland County, where temperatures could rise up to 108 with feels like indices upwards of 107 degrees. For them, that extreme heat warning will go on until 8 o'clock later tonight. Now out the door, temperatures are into the 70s. Pockets of some 80-degree readings to the north of us, 83 degrees over out in Haskell, 82 here in town. But check this out, over out in Eastland, we're seeing a temperature of 66 degrees. The rest of us further south are into the 70s. That's all due to that drier air. Dew points are into the mix of the upper 40s. That means you're actually feeling somewhat refreshing as soon as you step out the door out near Jayton and Snyder. Dew points into the lower to mid 50s indicate at least pretty comfy air, and when we start talking about dew points upwards of 60, that's when we start noticing at least a little bit of an increase in the humidity, at least the humidity feeling a little bit more present. Those winds right now mostly out of the south and southwest. We're seeing anywhere from about 2 miles per hour to about as strong as 11. As far as temperatures go today, already a warm baseline to start, but through the afternoon we'll see temperatures into the mix of the upper 90s and even triple digits. By the time you make it back home, most of us also on that same triple digit boat. By the time we close out late Tuesday night, we're talking temperatures into the upper 80s, lower 90s. By the time you step out the door on your Wednesday, off to yet another warm start. Futurecast here not giving a whole lot of opportunity to see at least those rain showers. Today, really at best, a few upper level clouds out towards our far west. By late Tuesday night, expecting clear, if not mostly clear conditions. Through Wednesday morning, that's when we start to add in a little bit more cloud cover, especially for those further to the south and east. Now, unfortunately, these are going to be higher level clouds, meaning that's not going to make too much of a drastic impact in those temperatures compared to those mid-level cumulus clouds. As far as today, expecting a high of 104 with drier air in place, but shy of the record set back in 2023 of 109 degrees. Winds will be out of the south 5 to 10. Then tonight, mostly clear night with a low of 79. We'll see calm winds out of the south at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. For folks in the heartland, high of 103, but for you, well below the record of 109 set back in 2023 as well. Then 75, you'll see a mostly clear, calm, but seasonal night as we look ahead for those in the heartland. Looking at the next 7 days, already you could see the stretch of triple-digit heat. On Friday, a few years ago, back in 2024, we actually saw the hottest temperature ever recorded in Abilene at 113 degrees. We'll see a cold front drop the temperatures by a degree heading into Friday with an isolated rain chance, and the temperatures do continue to climb into the weekend. Pam.